Welcome to the Perfect Perception channel. Today I will be reviewing the Nothing Earbuds 3. I have used these earbuds for a month now, and I have a lot of thoughts on them. The design is great in my opinion. It's like a mix of modern and a classic look. But the big question is, do they even sound good? Let's find out. These dust-resistant, sweat-resistant, light rain-resistant earbuds offer up to 5.5 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation or 10 hours without active noise cancellation, which isn't ideal to be honest. The Bose Open earbuds I made a video on, please check that one out by the way, have way bigger battery life. They have a transparency and noise cancellation mode on top of the standard mode which work well but nothing special. The transparency mode makes you feel like Darth Vader when speaking. Both modes do have a noticeable white noise that plays in your ears, but I got used to that. I do have to give them credit though, the app helps this product so much. In the app you can enhance bass, enable personal sound, which I would really recommend, change button functions, adjust the equalizer, etc. Before I get to how they sound, let's talk about the new microphone feature in the case. Well, I guess it does actually make the audio sound better, but realistically, it isn't that much better than the microphone inside the earbuds already, so I personally think it is just a gimmick. But don't get me wrong, I do love this gimmick. It makes me feel sophisticated being able to use my earbud case as a microphone, but that might just be me. Okay, so the audio is a difficult one for me. On one hand, the original sound fresh from the box doesn't sound great at all, but on the other hand, once I set up my personal audio feature, which is an ears test, the audio sounded so much better and felt premium. You can also use the equalizer to adjust the different settings of the audio, and even use ones that others have made with a QR code, or going on the Explore page. So overall, I think the audio is good, but with customizing it to your own tastes. The original audio sounds mid at best, so there you have it. What do you think of these earbuds and would you consider buying these? Or if you do own these, what do you think of them and do you agree with my points? Overall, I think they are worth it, but I would recommend waiting for a sale before buying. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to Perfect Perception for more unboxing and review videos. Have a great rest of the day. See you on my next video.